What's going on, guys? Welcome to another episode of our show. Today we're gonna be talking about rig welding. So you breaking out as a rig welder, what do you need, what can you expect on a test, things like that. Okay, first of all, I just want to ask you for 50 seconds. I'm gonna put a video. I want you to watch. This is about our new TIG torch, snake belly TIG torch. It's changing the game for sure. Check it out, guys. Check out the video. Alright, guys, we're using the snake belly TIG torch, coming soon. We'll be having it at 200 amps. We're gonna stop it right now with the heat gun. We're gonna check how hot it is on top, how hot it is on the neck. Let's do the top first. $200 max. Now let's do the neck. $98 max. Snake belly TIG torch coming soon, guys. All right, let's talk about rig welding. That's everybody's. That's every welder's dream. At least it was mine when I started this. When I started doing welding, my dream was be on pipeline and work with my truck and things like that, and it happened. So with that being said, guys, don't ever give up. Never. You can do it. If I can do it, you can do it. Don't ever give up. Don't just pursue your dreams and keep going, keep moving forward, guys. All right, so let's talk about rig welding. So first of all, one of the things that everybody asks is, what about the tanks, acetylene and oxygen tanks? Do we need them? Yes, we do need them. When I started rig welding, I didn't have money to buy them, to be honest. So luckily the company provide them. So as far as I know, all the companies that I've been, they provide everything. Like, not everything, but they provide all the acetylene and oxygen. Most of the good companies, and most of the good companies pay good. So they were providing rods, they were providing grinding wheels. Some people said that rig welders have to pay for everything. That's not true. That's a lie. I've been to companies, I can't name them, but they have everything. They even give you files. They give you whatever you need. One time there was this company, we were doing a job for One Oak, and they gave us those academy what's it called, overalls, waterproof, that once you go for use a Crosby for mudding. Yeah, they gave us that. So anyway, so not all of the companies give you everything you need, but some of them they do help out a lot. So, well, going back to the tanks, you do need them, but like I said, if you don't have them, there's companies that provide them. What do you need? The bevel machines. Try to get your bevel machine, the 4-inch, the 8-inch, the 12-inch. Most of the companies, they provide the 12-inch. Like I said, the ones that I've been, I don't know. Some people might say, no, they don't provide shit, this and that. Well, maybe that was a shitty company because they didn't have money to provide all that shit. So, anyways, all the companies that I've been, they provide the 12-inch. The bands for like the 24 inches, like all that. Anyway, so yeah, so and then you take let's say if you take your tanks, you replace them for new ones. You get new ones, right? Every now and then, whenever you get them off. So, okay, so acetylene tanks. So it takes one acetylene tank. It takes 2 oxygen tanks for one acetylene tank. Always keep that in mind, guys. That's why I don't know if you guys seen that on the welding beds, some people have 2 oxygens. I mean, so whenever you finish them, all you gotta do is go back to your yard, replace them, and then get a new one. So once you finish the job, or you get fired, you get laid off, whatever, you take them back and you get yours back, or you just take one set because you brought one set back. You brought one set with you. Bevel machines, you do need the bevel machines. So if you need the bevel machines, you need the oxygen and acetylene tanks. I suggest you try to get bevel machines for the test. Like I said, when all the companies that I've been, There was only one company that did this to me. They didn't have coupons, and that was in West Texas. They had like a big ass like a full pipe, full joint, and then you had to go over there and cut your own coupons. So I didn't have a bevel machine. I had to wait. I had to ask for somebody to let me borrow his bevel machine. And to be honest, asking for stuff like that, they'll make fun of you. They'll be an ass about it. You know, they'll be like, well, come on, man, why are you doing this if you don't have the tools for this and that? You don't have to be like that. But anyways, that happened to me. Anyway, so and then the other companies that I've been, like South Texas, Oklahoma, Kansas, all over, you know, north, up north, not up north, but mid north, whatever. I didn't have to do that because they already had the coupons and everything. So those were good companies. They provide everything too. Good per them as well too. 7 days per them. So yeah. But anyway, so just in case, just take the bevel machines. Take a file, take a spacer with you guys. If you don't have a clamp, take the tri clamps, the ones that I use here at the school. If you don't have those, take a spacer or something, because you're gonna need it. I don't want you to be asking nobody, you know, at the test, because it's gonna make you look bad. They're gonna see like you're not prepared for it. All right, now let's talk about the trucks. Trucks, you don't need a 4x4 truck. That's what I thought. You don't need a diesel truck either. That's what I thought. You know, that you needed a diesel truck. You needed a 4x4. I'm not gonna lie. Sometimes it gets ugly out there whenever it rains. But like West Texas, it never rains. So, but up north, it does rain. You know, it gets muddy. So you might need the 4x4. You might need it 4x4. But I had a dually, a 6.0. I spent a lot of money on the truck, and all I did, I put some mud tires, lifted up a little bit, and that's all I needed. There was people with 4x4 and they were getting stuck, and I wasn't. Why? Because of the tires. So tires play a big role on things like that. So if you don't have a 4x4, just put some big tires on, mud tires, and I'm pretty sure you'll be good. Just step on that bitch and you'll be good. But yeah, you don't need a 4x4 diesel. You don't need a diesel truck. The good things about having a diesel truck is that whenever you go out there and they have diesel tanks, you can refill your truck. Now, you have a diesel machine, you can go to the gas station and then put your diesel in your truck and your diesel on your gas. There's people that always, like, if you have a gas truck and a diesel machine, or vice versa, whatever, what happens is that sometimes you messed up. You wake up early in the morning, you hang over or whatever, and then you put gas on your diesel and diesel in your gas, and it mess up your day, and you're gonna spend a lot of money. So yeah, the good thing about having a diesel truck is, like I said, like, you can fill up your truck. Sometimes, not always, you can fill up your truck at the yard. Hoochie poles. This is something I made. It's not the best. It's not pretty as well either, but as long as it gets the job done. So basically, this one, it twists. I need the key for it, right? But anyways, so this one, a lot of people, they only have this. It stands up, and then you got the umbrella, right? I mean, it pulls out, and then you got the umbrella. This one, you can put it up and then put it back up. I mean, turn it around, and then I don't have the piece from here, but I have an umbrella holder here, and it pulls out that way, or, you know, whatever you want. And then I can have this like right here, pull this bitch up, and have the umbrella here. And this is for my roller. Put it over here, and I start rolling out right here. So it's something, like I said, it's something basic. I wish I could have a bed truck, but I don't. I do recommend put quick connects on all your hoses. Yeah, it'll be faster. You want to be fast, I recommend you put quick connects. For a welding machine, guys, I recommend, to be honest, I'm not talking about the gas. I have a gas machine right now. It's a 1963 red face. It's a beautiful machine. It runs really good. Bought it for $2,500. That was a steal. But you gotta be a mechanic to have one of those gas machines. I'm not a mechanic, but thankfully this machine hasn't given me any problems. Knock on wood. Wish I had some wood around here. Anyway, so yeah, the best way to go is a diesel machine. diesel machine is the best way to go. Anybody can tell you that. A lot of people will tell you, nah, 200, say 200s, they're badass. They are badass machines. Don't get me wrong. Any machine is good. Well, except the SAE 300 or the 300 HE. I hate those machines. They continuous current. I hate those. Anyways, so the SA200s, you have to keep them, you know, maintenance constantly, or you have to be on top of them, like the gas machines. Diesel machines, you don't have to. Diesel machines, I think it's way better to have a diesel machine than a gas machine. Now, they are a little bit more expensive. That's the only thing, but it is worth it, and it's gonna make your road welding life easier. You know, you won't be stressed out about the machine, things like that. Take wraparounds with you. Take a Metabo with you. Metabo, and to be honest, Metabo is one of the tools that you want to have around you. There was one time this we tested on West Texas, and then he have that thing to cut the straps, so we had to cut the straps by hand. If you don't have a Metabo, what you're gonna put, 1/8, 1/4? I mean, that's it. You're never gonna finish. So take some Metabos with you. If you need it, you can always work the Metabo. Just always respect the Metabo. You guys already know. I don't have to tell you. Respect the Metabo. Every time you use it, use your face shield, your mask, whatever you want to use, but just cover your face, because it can fuck up your face real quick. I know I'm probably forgetting a lot of stuff, but this is just a quick video of things that you have to have at least to get you out the first week. You know, get you to some 2-hose levels and stuff like that, and then once you get your first check, your second check, you know, start investing in your jack stands and things like that. You will, if you're gonna be on the pipeline, you don't need jack stands unless you get to a fabrication, but if you get to a fabrication, you will need jack stands. So I recommend at least you have 5 of them, and get you one mini one. That's a must. Well, guys, I hope you guys liked the video, and any questions, whatever you guys need, let me know, and I'll try to answer them. Don't forget to keep stay tuned for the Tick Torch. It's happening. We got a patent pending already, so it's a great news. We're coming out with new stuff. Just stay tuned, guys. ¿Qué onda, chavos? Estamos hablando de cómo empezar cuando empiezas como Ray Welder. Es el sueño de todos. Me imagino que ese era mi sueño cuando yo empecé a soldar. Yo me imaginaba soldando allá en los ranchos, en las líneas y todo ese pedo, y sí pasó, gracias a eso sucedió. Y como quiera, uno no se queda contento, uno no se conforma, pero bueno, chavos, les venía a decir que cosas que vamos a ocupar, o sea, los tanques de acetileno se van a ocupar, las Bevel Machines se van a ocupar, especialmente si vas a testear, pues obviamente los niveles, los 2-hole pins y cosas así. La troca, no necesitas una 4x4 si no tienes el dinero para comprarte una 4x4. Yo miré trocas allá que eran así como que eran nomás de 4 llantas, no eran 6, eran 2500. Muchos no traían 4x4. Yo no traía una 4x4, yo traía una 2, o sea, las 2 llantas de atrás, 2x4. Nomás lo que sí le puse para que se diferenciara fueron las llantas de lodo, y eso me ayudó bastante. Para arriba llueve mucho, a veces se enloda mucho el pedo, pero como quiera te saca el traco, te saca las máquinas esas de escarbarte, ellos te sacan para afuera, ¿va? Pero obviamente no quieres andar dando problemas. Si no tienes para una 4x4, métele nomás llantas buenas y písale y vas a estar bien, si vas a salir de ahí. Diesel truck, no necesitas una máquina, una troca de diésel. A lo que yo tengo entendido, yo miré muchas gentes cuando andábamos en la línea, miré muchas gentes con gasolina y, o sea, era la misma, pues obviamente gasta más gasolina, no sé, depende de qué motor traigas y todo, pero no necesitas una diésel. Entonces, aparte, los tanques no los tienes que estar, mucha gente te dice, hey, es que tú, uno de Ray Welder necesita que pagar por todo. Eso es mentira, no tienes que pagar por tal. Bueno, muchas compañías te dan todo, varillas, te dan todo, y esas son las compañías buenas. La gente que te dice, no, que es puro pedo, no, tú tienes que comprar esto, esas son compañías culeras, la mera verdad. Estamos hablando del chile y no más lo que es. Entonces, las compañías buenas hasta te pagan perdín bueno. O sea, yo he estado en muchas compañías muy buenas que ellos te daban todo, te pagaban 7 días per diem, te daban una vez nos dieron un traje, un overall de contra el agua, ¿cómo se llama? Para poder resistente al agua, para podernos meternos abajo entre el agua, y los fueron a comprar a la academia. Nosotros no salió nada de nuestras bolsas. Nos daban el diésel, nos echaban troca, ¿cómo se llama? Gasolina en el diésel, nos pagaban todo, nos pagaban comida, todo el pedo, y nomás estábamos sentados en la troca. No necesitas una troca 4x4, no necesitas una troca que sea hacer diésel. Uno tiene que empezar de abajo, tiene que empezar despacio. Ya cuando el primer cheque que agarres de 4,000 bolas, $4,000, entonces ya ahí te empiezas a comprar más cositas. Pero lo que sí es requerido son los jack stands. Si vas a andar en la línea no necesitas jack stands, a menos de que llegues a una fabricación o algo. Si vas a comprar jack stands, cómprate unos 5 jack stands y un chiquito, un mini. Después de ahí, cómprate pues obviamente tools o niveles, cosas así, escuadras, que vas ahí poco a poco le vas subiendo, ¿me entiendes? No lo trates de comprar todo un chingazo, porque te vas a quedar en pelón, y no puedes hacer eso. Entonces las cosas se van haciendo gradualmente, no se pueden hacer de la noche a la mañana. Así es como yo le hice, al menos de que pues tengas tu papá que tiene dinero, entonces ya es otra cosa, ¿me entiendes? Cómprate torchas, cosas así. ¿Qué más les puedo decir? En los exámenes, traten de llevarse sus Welder machines para que ustedes puedan cortar sus cupones. Y digo, en unos lugares te hacen que tú cortes tus cupones. Muchos lugares, las compañías buenas en las que yo he estado, ellos te dan los cupones, ellos te dan todo. Te están dando un pinche masaje mientras que tú estás soldando. O sea, depende, ¿verdad? Pero la mayoría de las compañías que yo he estado, ellos nos han proporcionado todo nos lo entregan. Todo nos lo dan, nos pagan el hotel, todo el pedo. Entonces, no te creas lo que mucha gente te dice. ¿Qué les puedo decir, muchachos? No se den por vencidos. Hay que salir adelante. Entre todos podemos salir adelante. Si te mandan un test y lo fallas, no hay pedo. Todos los hemos fallado. No hay ningún güey que no haya fallado el test. Así es como se aprende. Tómalo, y si no lo pasas, pues de perdido ya sabes que para la próxima vas a ir con más fuerzas que lo que fuiste la primera. No te desanimes si fallaste un examen. Va a haber muchos exámenes, es parte de la vida, es parte de este oficio. Pero bueno, muchachos, esperemos que les haya gustado el video. Espero que les haya gustado la TikTok que viene en camino también. Ahora que estoy haciendo Hilly yo, ojalá y pronto pueda regresar otra vez para allá, pero por lo pronto tengo la escuela. Recuérdense que tengo lugares en el día y en la noche. Cualquier información, nomás háblenme y yo les mando un mensaje, o nos ponemos de acuerdo para que puedan venir. Espero que les haya gustado el video, chavos, y muchísimas gracias por todo el apoyo que nos dan para seguir haciendo estos videos. Que Diosito me los bendiga, y ya los miro en la próxima.